Hey guys, and welcome to my channel again. Guys, you know I really like to make earrings, and in this video I will show you how to make 3 DIY easy earrings with epoxy resin. Friends, I want to say big thanks for watching my video. I'm pleased to read all your comments, and guys, your support is really important for me, so give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. I need your support, and let's start.
I drew a form of earring on paper, then take polymer clay, roll out and make a form of earring. Take gold foil. By the way, this is foil for nail design, or you can use foil for gilding. Foil is thin and stick to unbaked clay well. Bake in oven. Cover with varnish. Take piece of scotch. Cover with resin a little bit. Fill inside. Add soft pastel to the resin. Put pieces of foil. And beads. And need to wait until the resin will be dry. Make next earrings. I put acrylic paint a little bit. Add pearly pigment to the epoxy resin. Wait until the resin will be dry. And make last earrings. Wait until the resin will be dry. Friends, big thanks for watching my video, and if you have any questions, please write in the comments, and see you soon. Bye!